back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorial. Today we'll be looking at how you can make money on this very exchange called ChangeNow. On this very exchange, you can run a great arbitrage on this very place that will earn you a lot of profits. Okay, so all you just need to do, make sure you have signed up to this very app called ChangeNow.io. And if you do not know how to sign up, I'll drop you a video that shows you how you can sign up step by step and start performing your arbitrage on this very platform. Okay, so this very platform also is users friendly. Okay, so let's quickly go into that. Before I go into that, if you have not subscribed, please do, and do well to like the video when you find it interesting, and also share the videos for a lot of people out there to also benefit from it. Okay, all you just need to do is to come up to this platform and have a look. You can say your best crypto exchange platform, choose currency, make deposits, get your coins. Okay, take these 3 steps and everything will be fine with you. Okay, you can look 90 triumph rate, 1 million satisfied clients, 5-minute average exchange time. You see how fast it is. Limitless exchange, you see. So you can go through this and as well look at it more. Okay, you can scroll down. You can see all the listing that you need here. You can see the best rate crypto exchange, USDT, XRP, and a lot more. Okay, BNB, USDT. You can check a lot more here. Okay, so let's go to the process of purchasing. So the moment you log into this very platform, at the top here you can see exchange crypto and also buy or sell crypto. Okay, the next thing that you just need to do is to click on buy and sell crypto. On this buy and sell crypto, you can see if you are using a dollar card, if you're doing this from the other country, then this is for you. But if you're doing this from Nigeria, as I am on this USDT place, you're going to choose NGN because that is a currency you will wish to pay with. Okay, if you come to this very place, you can choose NGN, choose your country. I'm going to choose my NGN here because NGN is my country currency. Okay, you can scroll down, there are a lot of currency here. You can do this from a lot of countries. You can see so your country is here. All you just need to do is to click on this very space, click on this very arrow down beneath the USDT and choose your country. I'm choosing NGN. Okay, I'm choosing NGN because I'm doing this from Nigeria. Okay, the minimum amount to use here is 1128. Okay, the minimum amount is what you can see it, 1128. Okay, 1,128. Oh, sorry, what's wrong? Okay, 11,283.723 kobo. Okay, that's the minimum amount you can use on this very place. Okay, and for me, I will use, or let's say, let's say I should use 150. I should use 150,000. Okay, if I should use 150,000, I'm going to get 0.0040641 BTC. Okay, now you can see I don't want this in BTC. Okay, I'm going to change this BTC. Click on this arrow beneath the BTC and choose USDT. Okay, oh, I'm going to choose USDT now. There are lots of USDT exchanges here. No, not BNB. You can as well do it on BNB. You can as well do it on USDT. You can do it on a lot of things here. Okay, So as you can see, there are a lot of USDT market here. Let me do it on USDT Nair. So you can see I will take I'll take the USDT BSA. As you can see, I choose a USDT BSA because the fee is low in case I want to transfer it to another wallet or another exchange to sell and make profit. Okay, so this is actually given to you right now. I'm using 150,000 naira to kind of to purchase 183 USDT. Okay, so before I proceed anything here, I would like to check the maths. Let's see if actually we're making profit here. Let's see if actually we're making profits here. Okay, let's say 150 divided by 150,000 divided by 183 USDT. Okay, let's see how much we're going to make. This take me to my calculator. Let's see the rate we are going to buy USDT here, and before we go to Binance and check how much we are going to make if this is purchased. Okay, let's go to the calculator. So this is it, 150,000 divided by 183 USDT. I'm going to buy each dollar at 819 naira. Okay, that is a very nice one. That will be a very good profit. So let me go to Binance and see how much we are going to sell this 100 with this 183 USDT. Okay, so this is Binance. I will just go straight to P2P and see what we have there. Okay, I will go to P2P here. Wow, so if I come to this P2P today, what is going to show me here is that I should sell this USDT 183 and see how much I will get back in NGN. Don't forget, I used 150,000 NGN to purchase 183 USDT on ChangeNow. Okay, so I will check now who has my bills equivalent 9,000 to 20. Now, this one's are babies. Okay, let me quickly check. Okay, I think this man here will be able to take my order. So I will click on it and put how much do I have. I have 183. Let's see what I will get back in NGN. The minimum here is 300. Okay, I'm supposed to go back. I'm coming to sell now. So going to the sell part, I will check at who. Okay, this man is capable of taking my order. Okay, this man here is capable of taking my order. Let me put my quantity here, 183. Okay, so if I put my quantity here, 183 USDT, see what I'm going to get back. I will sell it at 214,915 naira. Okay, wow, this is a very huge profit. This is a very huge profit. Okay, now you check. This is 214,915 naira. What this is what I bought at. This is what I bought at what? At 200 and at 150,000. Okay, and I'm selling it at 214,915 naira. This is a huge profit. This is a huge profit actually. So let's go back there and do the maths. Okay, don't forget 214,915 naira. Okay, and you can see 214,915 naira minus how much I used in running this business, minus 150. You can see I earn 64,000 naira, 915 naira instantly. Okay, this is a huge profit. This is actually a huge profit. Okay, let's proceed. And don't forget, you can as well run this arbitrage on a lot of coins here. It's not only USDT that is available here. You can run this arbitrage on a lot of you can run this arbitrage on a lot of coins here. You can click on this still arrow down, check whatever you want. Okay, but I always recommend this USDT BSC. Okay, low charges, and when you take another one, there's going to be high charges. Okay, so all you just need to do is to watch carefully and proceed to buy now. Okay, you can proceed to buy now. At the top here you can see buy/sell. Don't sell here, because if you sell here you will not make any profit. Look at down here, watch carefully. Secondly, note that this USDT token is the native version on Binance Smart Chain. We do not support bridge version of this token. Please ensure you are using the following contract address, okay. So you know how to get your USDT wallet address from the Binance. So just get your USDT wallet address from the Binance and paste your USDT wallet address here. See, enter the USDT payout address, okay, and enter the USDT payout address right there. Okay, so you can do this. Look at this very website carefully. This website has been existing for like a while now, and it's really paying a lot of people that serve millions of people, which I showed you earlier, and it can also serve you. Okay, so all you just need to do here, after pasting your wallet address here, you can proceed to where, to the payment method. What are the payment method? You can use Visa card, you can use a MasterCard, you can as well use SEPA. Okay, you can as well use SEPA. Okay, and if it's this transact you want to use, you can as well use it, but the what you're going to receive will be below 183. So the next thing you just need to do is to click on next to proceed to your payment after you have pasted your wallet address. So if you have any issue here, this message sign is what you're going to use to shut them up, okay, and your issues will be resolved immediately. Mind you, everything here is very okay, but mind you must make your own research. Okay, you must make your own research about this very platform and see how really it works. It's really working and it's genuine platform. Okay, you can see it's highly secured, and you can see it has served a lot of people. And if you need the app, you can quickly go to your mobile app, which is the Play Store, to get it, or you download it on your Android APK. Okay, so on this I'll be stopping here. If you have any question, if you do love this video, do well to smash the like buttons, and as well share it with friends so that a lot of people can benefit from here. If you have any question, please, or any suggestion or anything you want to say, drop it at the comment section. I will go through it, and I will get back to you ASAP. And also let me know if it works for you. Okay, so thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.